YouView box users frequently experience frustrating app problems. Understanding these common issues and their immediate fixes can save you time and restore your viewing experience quickly. The most common problems include app crashes, freezing, and launch failures. These issues particularly affect popular streaming apps like BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, All4, My5, Netflix, and Amazon Prime Video. These problems typically stem from 5 main causes: memory limitations in older boxes, software conflicts between the YouView system and apps, poor network connectivity, insufficient storage space, and aging hardware struggling with modern app requirements. Before diving into complex solutions, there are 4 immediate fixes you can try with your YouView remote control. These simple steps resolve most common app problems quickly. First, perform a soft reset. Hold the power button on your remote for 10 seconds to restart the box. This clears temporary memory issues and often resolves app crashes immediately. Second, if a specific app is misbehaving, exit it completely and relaunch. Don't just pause or minimize. Fully close the app and start it fresh from the main menu. Third, clear the app's cache. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, select the problematic app, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing conflicts. Finally, ensure you have a stable broadband connection. YouView apps need at least 10 megabits per second for smooth operation. Poor connectivity is responsible for 60% of app-related issues. These 4 immediate fixes resolve 85% of common YouView app problems. Try them in order before moving to more advanced troubleshooting methods. Most users find their apps working normally again within minutes. When basic fixes don't resolve your YouView app issues, advanced troubleshooting techniques can help restore proper functionality. These methods require more time, but often provide permanent solutions. The factory reset is the most comprehensive solution for persistent app problems. This process completely wipes your YouView box and restores it to original settings, often resolving deep-seated software conflicts. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then Device Management, and select Factory Reset. The process takes several minutes, and your box will restart automatically when complete. Keeping your YouView software updated is crucial for app compatibility and performance. Software updates often include bug fixes specifically designed to resolve app crashes and improve stability. Storage management is essential for optimal app performance. When your YouView box runs low on storage space, apps may crash or fail to load properly. Regular cleanup prevents these issues. Network connectivity is often the root cause of app problems. A stable, fast internet connection is essential for streaming apps to function properly on your YouView box. For the most reliable connection, use a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. Wired connections provide more stable speeds and reduce the likelihood of app interruptions. Keep your router firmware updated for optimal performance. Access your router's admin panel to check for firmware updates, which can improve connection stability and speed. Regular maintenance prevents most app issues before they occur. Following a simple schedule keeps your YouView box running smoothly and extends its lifespan. For optimal app performance, maintain broadband speeds above 25 megabits per second, especially when using multiple streaming apps or watching 4K content. Slower speeds cause buffering and app crashes. These advanced troubleshooting techniques and maintenance practices will keep your YouView apps running smoothly. Regular attention to these areas prevents most issues and ensures a reliable viewing experience.